My name is Natalie, and I am a stylist for Valor Designs. I'm going to show you how to fold a hospital corner on your bed. If you're wondering why they call it a hospital corner fold, is because this is the way they actually fold corners on hospital beds. It's true. So we are going to do the fold. It's very simple. It's 3 steps. You're going to start by first tucking the sheet at the foot of your bed underneath the mattress. You're going to take the end of the sheet, you're going to pull it straight up. Then you're going to take this portion that's hanging down, and you're going to want to tuck it under the mattress. And then you do your third tuck, where you pull this down. You can kind of put your hand underneath here, just to kind of get that nice crisp fold. And then you fold it back under, smooth it out, and then you have your
Change your bed if that is okay with you.
It's fine.
Okay, great. Now, Mr. West, it's my understanding that you are able to move on your own when asked to? Great. So you can help me with rolling?
Yep.
Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to put your bed up to a good working height. Ideally, you want the bed at your waist height for safety of your own back. Okay, sir, I'm going to go ahead and pull your privacy curtain. I'm going to raise this side rail. Okay. In a moment, I'm going to have you roll over this way.
Okay.
Okay, sir? I'm going to loosen the linens on the bottom of the bed. Okay. Now, sir, what I'm going to do is put this bath blanket on top of you. And if you would be so kind as to hold on to the top of your bath blanket, I'm going to try to keep you covered throughout this procedure as much as we can. Now, as a gentle reminder to all you students, when we are removing dirty linens, we roll them away from ourselves, never towards ourselves. I can dispose of this dirty linen in our linen hamper. For convenience, I'm going to leave the top up. Okay, Mr. West, if you would go ahead and just roll towards that raised side rail, sir. And I'll try to keep you covered. Okay, go ahead and put your head down. Okay, now I'm going to remove the sheet from this side of the bed. Loosen it, and then I'm rolling it towards you, sir. Placing it as far under, and this time I am still rolling away from me because the sheet may be soiled. I'm taking my new fitted sheet. I'm trying to place the corners. Now, please note that this time around I am rolling the sheet towards me, and it's being tucked under the old sheet. Okay. Now, Mr. West, if you would come back towards me, there's a bump of linen you're going to come over. Just roll, whoops, let's keep you covered, sir. All the way over. Okay, let me go ahead and change your pillowcase for you, sir. Okay. This is clean. Your pillow is clean. I'm taking my new pillowcase. And I'm finding the lower edge of the pillowcase. I find the middle. Fit that over one corner. Fit it over the other corner. we are always tempted to shake this, but do not. Remember airborne pathogens. Okay, sir, if you want to lift your head up, we can put the pillow right there. And notice that the opening of the pillowcase is away from the opening of our door. Once again, I'm rolling the sheets away from myself and disposing it in our dirty linen. Now I'm pulling the clean sheet. Okay, Mr. West, if you want to roll back on your back, sir. Now we will replace your top sheet. You will hold on to that, sir. I'd appreciate it. Okay. Let me go ahead and get this bath blanket out from underneath you. And once again, we will dispose of this in our dirty hamper. I want to try to center the sheet so that it is even on both sides. You can let go, sir. Next, we need to tuck it in. Tuck it at the bottom of the sheet, lifting your mattress up, and let it drop. Then you want to pull one side up, one corner. Think of it as if you're trying to make a sail or perhaps wrap a present. And let that drop. Same thing on this side. Tuck it under, let it drop, make your corner. The further up you go, the cleaner your corner will be. How's that, sir? Okay. Do you have enough toe room? It doesn't look like it, so what we can provide you with is a little toe plate. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and put your bed in the lowest position.
Unoccupied bed. Today we'll be learning how to make an unoccupied bed. Hi Sydney, it's Amy. Oh, I see you're not here today. I'm going to go ahead and change the bed. I need to wash my hands first. Don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Scrubbing your nails between your fingers and one hand whip up your wrist. Rinse in a downward motion, the soap's running off your fingertip. Leave the water running. Pat dry your hands. Throw that paper towel away. Take another paper towel and turn off the water. Okay, for an unoccupied bed, we're going to need these 5 items: a fitted sheet, a draw sheet, a flat sheet, a blanket, and a pillowcase. Clean hands in the linen room. Hold it away from your body. Fitted sheet, draw sheet, flat sheet, blanket, and pillowcase. Then you head for the room, and if you pick it up in this order, When you flip it, it will be in order to go on the bed. This is clean, this is considered clean. The next thing you're going to want to do is raise the bed. You take the call light off, put it right up here so I can get it. I like the bed about right here where my hips start. That's about as far up as it goes. That's good. That's probably as far as it can go too. Get the cord out of your way. You're going to want to come down to the end of the bed, loosen the end of the bed up. You're going to want to roll the dirty linen inward. Take the pillowcase off, and you may set the pillow right here on the bedside stand. Go ahead and remove the linen, and I need to go get my linen cart. You need to step up. I have the linen cart. I'm going to put it in the linen cart. Okay. Now we're going to put the fitted sheet on. You cannot fluff, shake, or snap the bottom sheet or any sheet. You have to open it up very carefully, making sure you're putting the inside on the inside, putting the corner on, coming right up here, putting the top on, come around the bed, put the fitted corner on, making sure you're getting out as many of the wrinkles as you can. The next thing we're going to put on is the draw sheet. The draw sheet goes from the axillary to the knees. It's to help lift or to keep the bottom fitted sheet dry. Again, we're going to have to find the center of it. To find the center, just fold it in half. There's the center. I'm going to put it right there. Tuck it in on this side, under the mattress. Go right over on the other side. Tuck it in. No linen can touch the floor. If it does, you have to put that piece in the dirty clothes and go and get another piece. Okay, now the top sheet, the flat sheet. If it has a tag on it, please put the tag to the end of the bed. Again, no fluffing, snapping, or shaking. Take the end of the sheet right off the end of the bed. Go ahead and put the blanket on now. Watch your pillowcase. Notice how I'm just stretching it out. I'm not fluffing or shaking or snapping. I think it goes this way. This is considered an open bed, what we're making for the resident. The pillowcase is going to be on the top. A closed bed is when the pillow in the pillowcase is covered by the bedspread. This is considered an open bed. Want to make sure that the white's covered up here. Okay. Now we're going to tuck the flat sheet and the blanket underneath the mattress. Pick the mattress up. Take your arm and tuck it right under there. Hold it. To make a mitered corner, you're just going to pull here and lay it up here and tuck the corner in. Let me show you again on this side. Pick the mattress up, tuck the whole flat sheet and blanket, let it fall, bend right down here and take, I have to get it right, and lay it up there, right like this, up, lay it, tuck this underneath. That's a mitered corner right there. That looks really nice and tidy. The last thing you have to do is put the pillow case on the pillow. Lay it on the bed, open up the pillowcase, gather it. Take the middle part, this is the inside of the pillowcase, grab it right there and do not let go. Fit it over the pillowcase, the pillow. Put it in there nice. The opening goes away from the door. Just make it look nice and smooth. The things I want you to remember are good body mechanics. When you reach over the bed, you're keeping your back straight and you're reaching this way. You're using a broad stance when you're making the bed, and you're keeping your back straight when you're bending. Put the call light back on the bed, lower the bed to the lowest position. There we go. Leave the bed control right on the bed. Make sure it's looking nice. Nothing's touching the floor. Looks good. Completion of unoccupied bed.